now it's just the beginning.
Just the beginning.
Off on our adventure.
GS Power. Here we go.
Would you still remember me? For I must be traveling on now. 'Cause there's too many places I've got to see. But if I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change. Bye bye, baby, it's my sweet love, yeah. Oh, this feeling I can't change. But please don't take it so badly. 'Cause the Lord knows I'm to blame. If I stay here with you, girl, things just couldn't be the same. 'Cause I'm as free as a bird now, and this bird you cannot change. Oh, and the bird you cannot change. And this bird you cannot change.
Spend my days with a woman unkind, smoke my stuff and drink. All my life.
Go on the very edge. You're not. Go on the very edge. You're not.
Made up my mind, make a new start. Going to California with an aching in my heart. Someone told me there's a girl out there with love in her eyes and flowers in her hair. Took my chances on a big jet plane. Never let them tell you that we're all the same. Oh, the sea was red and the sky was gray. I wondered how tomorrow could ever follow today. Mountains and the canyons start to tremble and shake. The children of the sun begin to wake. Watch out. Crazy. Beautiful canyon. To find the queen without a king, they say she plays guitar and cries and sings. La la la. Ride a white mare in the footsteps of dawn, trying to find a woman who's never, never, never been born. Standing on the hill in the mountain of dreams, telling myself it's not as hard, hard, hard as it seems.
Every breaking wave on the shore tells the next one there'll be one more. And every gambler knows that to lose is what you're really there for. Summer house fearlessness. Now I speak into an answer phone like every falling leaf on the breeze. Winter wouldn't leave it alone, alone. If you go, you're weighing up your mind. Are we so helpless against the tide? Maybe every dog on the street knows that we're in love with defeat. Are we ready to be swept off our feet and stop chasing every breaking wave? Every sailor knows that the sea is a friend made enemy, and every shipwrecked soul knows what it is to live without intimacy. I thought I heard the captain's voice, but it's hard to listen while you preach like every broken wave on the shore.
Dante's View,
This is as far as I could reach.
water basin.
If you go,
Green spot.
if you go,
Now you're recording.
Okay. So should I push the stop and push the record or just let it go?
Let it go.
Beautiful. That works for me. A lot.
You want to stop it, you know, we get to a boring section, you just push the top button.
One time, right?
Are we ready to be swept off our feet and stop chasing every breaking wave? The sea knows where all the rocks and drowning is no sin. You know where my heart is, the same place that yours has been. We know that we fear to win, so we end before.
going?
Every sailor knows that the sea is a friend made enemy, and every shipwrecked soul knows what it is to live without intimacy. I thought I heard the captain's voice. It's hard to listen while you preach, like every broken wave on the shore. This is as far as I could reach. If you go, you're weighing up your mind. Are we so helpless against the tide? Baby, every dog on this street knows that we're in love with defeat. Are we ready to be swept off our feet and stop chasing every breaking wave? The sea knows where all the rocks and drowning is to no sea. You know where my heart is, the same place that yours has been. We know that we fear to win, so we end before we begin. Before we begin. If you go, you're weighing up your mind. Are we so helpless against the tide? Baby, every dog on this street knows that we're in love with defeat. Are we ready to be swept off our feet and stop chasing every breaking wave?
Took a look down a westbound road, right away I made my choice. Headed out to my big two-wheeler, I was tired of my own voice. Took a beat on the northern plains and just rolled that power on. Hours out of Mackinac City, stopped in a bar to have a brew. Met a girl, we had a few drinks, and I told her what I decided to do. She looked out the window a long, long moment, then she looked into my eyes. She didn't have to say a thing. I knew what she was thinking. Roll me away, won't you roll me away tonight? I too am lost, I feel double-crossed. Now I'm sick of what's wrong and what's right. We never even said a word, we just walked out and got on that bank. And we rolled. And we rolled clean out of sight.
Yeah, man. Woo! That was 1200. good, buddy. Woo! Oh, how'd you do it? How'd you do it? Love that. Oh, this is even the beginning. This is even the beginning.